Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, what do we have here? It's Friday, and you know what that means. It's now time for our bold review dito sa Fridays with BMX, only on Harriet. And today we are taking a look at Maid's Obsession. Okay. So, this is a movie starring Gian Portich. Siya ata yung asawa ni Shanti Guzman doon sa isang pelikula. Nakalimutan ko na. We got Queenie de Mesa. Oli, it's been a while. Parang tagal ko. Siya si Mirasol, di ba? Oo, siya yung pamumulak-kadkad ni Mirasol. Pamumulaklak ni Mirasol. Pamumulakadkad ni Mirasol. Mirasol, basta siya si Mirasol. And then we got China Dizon. Siya yung babae sa X with the big boobies. So, nice. Okay. We also have RD Raimundo ata. RD Raimundo. But he's not the one on the poster. This poster is yung boyfriend ni Queenie de Mesa sa pelikula na to. His name ng character niya is Arman. He's not really giving any importance to the story. But his name is James Vasquez. Okay. So, before anything else, if you like this review, paki-like na lang po yung video, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon for more of your bold review dito sa Fridays with BMX only on Harriet. And before we start, I would like to make an announcement. Okay, supposedly this review was supposed to be delayed to Saturday, pero maswerte tayo, work has been smooth and we naplansya natin to produce it on time on Friday. But next week is going to be a different case. Next week, we have a deployment in our production environment starting Monday with relentless support until the Holy Week. So, ayun, we are going gone. Okay? So, the final bold review before the BMX content blackout starting April 4 will be Scorpio Nights 4, and we will publish it on April 3 on the holiday, on Good Friday. My ad, and I already have the headline. It's the sin before the supper. So yes, we will do everything. We will go all out before the BMX content blackout of 2026, which will start April 4 and will end at April. It's supposed to be April 12, but yung Santa Cena magtatapos April 11, 7 a.m. yung tatanggap ako. But I'm going to move it. I'm still gonna retain it to April 12 because I am on a ang tawag doon, I need to decide if I want my wisdom tooth na mabunot after the Santa Cena. So, I won't have any mouth to spill. But, just in case, our scheduled review after the blackout will go as this. April 13 will be the review of Sausawan, starring Rian Rivera and Karen Lopez. And April 14 will be the review of Sugar Daddy with the return of Jamila Obispo. Viva Max legend Jamila Obispo. We missed you, girl. And we couldn't have anything else. I couldn't have anything else without you. Okay. So those are the scheduled program. Our Friday review, so 11, 12. So the April 10 review will be meet, greet, and buy. Okay, so family friendly tayo sa linggo na yan. God is good. Okay, let's go. Let's go and talk about Maid's Obsession. Maid's Obsession is really boring. And the acting is like parang nasa stage play ka. Yung awayan ni Heidi sa ni Marta sa dulo. Vintage. Vintage stage play. Parang alam mo yung yung grupo-grupo kayo sa klase. Tapos, okay, group 1, here's your presentation. That is the level of acting na pwede ko i-compare dito sa Maids Obsession. They did try. Queenie had some good movies before. China works so stiff. Okay? And yung parang ano eh, yung mature scene nila dito sa ano, di ko na feel eh. Yung halika nila parang nagtutukaan lang eh. Alam mo yung cobra ni Ramon Bautista sa Tales from the Friend Zone? Yeah, that's what how yung halik nila. Parang cobra na nagtutuklawan. Di ko ramdam. It's a good thing we got Gian Fortich here who is carrying the load in terms of the sex scenes. Thank you very much. Okay, so Gian Fortich plays the role of Agnes. Siya ay merong lead maid na si Martha, played by Gina Dizon. Pumasok si Heidi sa bahay as the second right-hand woman nitong si ni Martha, and yung simula is si Heidi yung ano eh, si Heidi yon yung second in command. Her right red hand. Ika nga. And itong si Heidi nag-struggle sa simula kasi hindi pa sila close nitong si Martha. Pero yun, nagde-develop yung kanilang relationship. Gabi-gabi or every other night nag-uwi ng lalaki itong si Heidi, ito si Armand played by James Vasquez. As nakita ni Martha na nagkakangkangan sila doon sa sulok ng bahay. Okay, that's good. Does it affect the plot? No, not really. Wala atang impact yung boyfriend. Yung the second time na datan sila ni Martha, parang wala lang. Ay, ikaw si Martha, sabi ni Armand as umalis na siya sa pintuan. Ayun. Then Heidi is getting a little bit too good at her job that Martha started to get jealous, okay, and started to plot against Heidi. Parang gusto niya isabotage itong si Heidi, pero nagkakaroon ng feelings itong si Martha kay Heidi, and kaya it's on her own will, kaya nagstay itong si Heidi sa pamamahay nila. Gusto talaga ni Martha na ano eh, sabihan na nag-uwi ng lalaki itong si Heidi every other night eh. Pero hindi, nagkakaroon siya ng feelings kasi until that feelings exploded, nag-away sila, they did a cat fight, then they had sex. And ito yung sinasabi ko kanina na nagtutukaan sila. And then, furthermore, sinabi niya ni Martha sa may-ari nila na, oh yeah, nag-uwi ng lalaki itong si Heidi. So nasisante sila parehas kasi si Martha matanda na rin. So nasisante sila parehas, naging close sila, and then yung huling back pay nila, nag-exchange gift sila. Si Heidi papuntang Dubai, si Martha papuntang Teacherland. So ayan. Got 8 minutes out of that shit. Okay. Rate na yun. I don't want to expound any further. This movie is shite. Okay. This movie is pretty shite for me. I'm just going to put Maid's Obsession. Let's see. Maid's Obsession. Wala yung avatar ko. Maid's Obsession. Obsession? Don't even try. Yeah. I'm not I'm not gonna that title clickbait yung sa thumbnail ko. Okay. So thank you for watching. See you next Friday. Scorpio, Nights 4. Peace.